I would need to define watercolors and acrylics. I would say that a watercolor is a cat and acrylics is a dog. You have less control over watercolors. You can act like you own it or rule it, but at the end of the day it just jumps out of the window and returns when it wants. Oh wait, that's the cat. Hello, I'm the Art Mother and welcome to the Watercolor Painting Series. My name is Alexandra Gabor and I'm a professional art teacher. I'm holding a master's degree in art education and I have years of experience in teaching art to kids and adults. I'm also an artist. I'm mostly a painter, but I have tons of experience in different fields of art. For example, textile design, illustration, photography, digital art, printmaking. But mostly, yes, I'm painting and I'm a dog person. Maybe this is why I'm mostly painting with acrylics, but I truly enjoy exploring watercolors. I mostly paint small-sized illustrations with lots of decorative elements, and what is mostly characteristic of my art is that I paint black bubbles everywhere. I love geometric and folkloric elements, and I'm mostly using a limited color palette accompanied by black. I love the contrast black gives to colors. It makes them more vibrant and defined. I also love to add gold to my paintings. It makes them more elegant. But to be honest, I kinda have periods when I use different color palettes and decorative elements. Nowadays, I'm really into teal, aqua, turquoise with black and gold. You can find me online by the name The Art Mother. I've chosen this name because, well, I'm a mother and an artist, and these are the two things which are defining me the most. I have two wonderful kids, a daughter and a son, and we are living in Slovakia in Eastern Europe. You can find my page on Facebook and on Instagram, so you can hit follow buttons there, but most importantly, hit the one here on Skillshare. I'm aware that there are tons of watercolor classes out there, but it is always interesting to learn from a different artist and different teacher. And I hope that you can learn something new from me. I have designed this series so that each class can stand alone and it's complete on its own. And all of the classes have three main ingredients: art theory, color theory, and a trending topic. In this class, you are going to learn brush control and patterns as for art theory. We are going to explore monochrome for color theory, and our trending topic is botanicals. The class is ideal for beginners, as I'm going to go through beginners topics like supplies and brush control, but intermediate and advanced students can also find it useful to refresh their skills and to practice a little, and they can also take the class project to a higher level. So I would really appreciate if you would take this class. So, if you feel the creative energy and you are ready to create, let's dive into the class.